in the lip kit shade Rough. And again, the thing I love about my lip kits, these lip liners match each and every matte liquid shade. And this is like a classic red lip. This perfect for full lips. And you guys, when you use this product, make sure that you get every single line of your lips, because you don't want the matte lipstick to bleed into your foundation. And again, this is just one swipe, and I have pretty full lips. And this is with one application, the shade Rough. And the thing I love about my lipsticks, they are dry, they have matte finish, and so it won't have that transferable, you know, when you're giving somebody a kiss, like it's not gonna transfer onto their blouse, their skin, nothing. And I love that about my lip kits. It just makes you feel powerful and sexy. I love that about Rough. I love it. See? No transfer. So this is in the shade Rough. Perfect for work, perfect for date night. Just a great classic Marilyn Monroe lipstick. I love the shade Rough.